Hello, Cheryl here from Seed Say So, coming to you on this beautiful, wet, and rainy day. Can you hear it? The rain? Don't it sound good? Yes, it does, and I'm thankful for it. Because guess what? I don't have to water. I haven't been out here in a couple of days because it's been raining for a couple of days. Just coming to check on everything. My peppers, my shishito peppers are looking wonderful. The eggplant, I see some new babies. Germination from the okra seeds I just planted a couple of days ago. That's what the rain does, y'all. It's just a different kind of watering from our faucets with all of the chemicals. Rainwater is much better. So yeah, y'all, even when it's raining, come out and check your gardens. Because with rain and the rain we get here comes a lot of wind. And a lot of times the wind will knock over our plants or have them leaning from one side to the other. Sometimes breaking your plants. And we don't want that. So yeah, we have to check on them. I don't see much damage right now. Everything's looking good. Everything is refreshed. I see green tomatoes. Beautiful. Even in the rain, the garden is my place of peace. And what I've learned, y'all, is we must find contentment in whatever situation that's before us, whether it's rain, whether it's hardship. We have to be content, find joy, because we have no control over it. So we must give it to our Father, sit in it, and be content. Because guess what? Whatever it is, as the word says, this too shall pass. Oh, look, eggplant. Oh, wow. Yep, almost ready to harvest. My peppers are doing wonderful. More tomatoes. A new bed that I just planted. Some seeds. I think I put some root veggies in here. Some parsnips, some rutabaga, and beets. Oh, look at my potato plants. They ready to harvest, y'all. They falling over. So yeah, I'll come out on a dry day, hopefully soon, and harvest those. My fig, my tomato plants, they leaning a little bit. So let me straighten them up. That's what I was talking about with the wind. It'll make your plants lean because these tomato plants are really heavy. So yeah, they'll lean and sometimes break. Oh, one just broke, but it's okay. I planted so many tomato plants, y'all, because I love tomatoes, fresh tomatoes. So if I lose one or two, or if some of them don't bring me a harvest, I have plenty more to come. Sunflowers still looking wonderful. My Plumera plants are still looking gorgeous. water puddles everywhere. I'm not gonna go down there because it's wet. Well, yes I am. I'm just gonna walk in it. My lemon trees are looking good. And guess what? I'm looking out for snakes. My beans are looking good. The corn is still growing. My kale, my mint, squash plants are doing good. Yeah, just taking a quick stroll. My juniper plum tree. It just feels like the rainwater is so much better. Look at my oranges. Thank you, Lord, for the little things. Yeah, y'all, so find joy, find peace, be content in whatever state you're in. Look at the cucumber. The loquat tree is looking good. This tree right here is one that we grew up with in my grandmother's yard. And Najee was like, Mom, you remember that plant that Big Mama used to have with that fruit on it? And they called it a Chinese plum. So I found one, and he was so excited. So we can't wait to get some of the Chinese plum. Squash plants are blooming. So yeah, everything is looking good. I'm gonna get back in and dry off a little bit. But yeah, the lesson that I've learned today, or the word that I want to leave you with, is contentment. Be content in whatever situation you're in, whatever situation God brings before us, even in the rain. So yeah, let me get out of here, cause I'm wet, y'all. I'm wet. See you next time. Bye for now.